So this is Nala, her sister. She's a little more extroverted, as you can tell. She's also been with us a little longer. Yes. But she suffers from similar things. Yes, good girl. She's already got her nails done and stuff like that. So same concept, just a more extroverted dog. Place. Yes, good girl. Good girl, mama. Free time. Good girl. So we're gonna introduce you to the other place. Different texture, place. So place is anything that's elevated or a different texture. So it could be a towel, it could be anything. It just has to be fair for the dog, so the dog understands that there's somewhere it needs to be on. So a perimeter. Good girl. Good girl. Settle your mind. Settle your mind. There we go. Settle down. There we go. Nice. Very nice. Don't worry about the room. So this is very typical. So especially with Malinois and anything like that. They go high, you go low. They go low, you go high. I see her energies everywhere. I'm relaxed. If she's dimmed, I get her a little higher. Couché. Yes, good girl. Couché. Good girl. So now, she gets up, she corrects herself. And it doesn't come from me. Free time. Couché. Yes. Free time. Yes, good girl. Right here, mama. Use your nose, boo bear. It's right here. Hey. Yeah, you wanna play? You wanna play? Come over here. Come. Don't try to figure out the cheating technique now. So this is why I always say puppies, when they're loose in the house, should be on a leash up till they're at least a year old. So like that, you actually have ways to guide them. Ah. I see. Good. Good, I see. Focus. This one. Yes. Right, rest. Huh? No. Good. Rest. Good. Couché. Nice. Good rest. And I work my leash at my distance. And I don't expect her, free time, to learn it in the beginning. I don't want to leave them too long on the place because then they jump, they think that they're never going to get off. So in theory, yes, little by little, your time frames. Place. Yes. Couché. Couché. Yes. So it's not a bribery, it's also leash pressure, and you get what you want. No different than the 4 quadrants, than how it's used for psychology in humans when the seatbelt dinger is on, ding 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 ding, and then you put it on and it stops. it's the same thing. The pressure stops the moment the dog applies. Or abides, I'm sorry. I'm Cuban, I know like 5 languages, but I haven't mastered one. Free time. Good girl. Place. There we go. Yes. Come. There we go. Come. Good. Good. Push it. I know. So pressure, pressure, pressure. Yes. With her, now we can start advancing to a little bit more of accountability on the place. You move. You go. Push it. Leave her there. Yep. Back, back, back. Crochet. Leave her there. Forehand. Action, reaction. Crochet. Rest. Leave her there. Look where I'm at. And then we work our distance. And I pay for that. And I go a little further. And I pay for that. I'm not going to pay for the getting up. I'm going to wait till she understands. That's when I pay. And I'm going to pay free time. Now. Yeah, come here. Yes, 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 yes. Now keep in mind, guys, this is a rehab and obedience. So you got to take them out of their anxiety, get them confident, and then start the obedience, because an anxious mind cannot retain information. So it's not all pretty, luring, and dog looking at you, and blah, blah, blah. It's real life training, real life applications. Rest. Good girl. Free time. Come. Ah, yes. So I like to do 75-25. I always like to do 75 times going and picking up the dog and releasing them, and only 25 times bringing it this way, because you have a higher chance of the dog thinking a cue is up and then just jumps your place. Couché. Yes. Así. Yes. So I mark that she, when I go like that, it gets a little scary for her. So I'm gonna draw her in and then come. Así. Yes. And I'm gonna mark my boundary. And that's what I mean by studying the dog in front of you. There's no blueprint. You got action, reaction, what the dog is displaying. So if I come here, look what happens. See that? No. So I wanna come here. This is her comfortable zone for her to understand. And then if I'm gonna call her, I'll come. And I want her to sit, and I'll come. I know, you're a little tired back there. Come on, it's okay, get past that. Come on. So okay, I'll figure that out. Get her nose to help me work. Get her nose to help me work, because this little channel right here. And once she passes this gate, so now we know this is where she's showing her display, right? So I'm gonna show y'all where leash pressure is awesome. Now look, I'm not gonna pull back, I'm not gonna do nothing, but just stand there, and the dog is gonna have to deal with it. So for my fairy tale unicorn lovers, actually letting the dog go through his stresses is what builds a dog. It's what builds a human. It's what builds character. Nothing in life comes without a price. Nothing in life. Now I drop the leash. Come. Let her deal with it. much safer the dog feels with a leash on. Isn't that incredible? No leash. Get past the threshold. Look. Now, come. Now I'm going to flip it on her. I'm going to get out of her way. So there's a nice feng shui way to go through. See that? There's an invisible barrier there. Now look, I'm going to grab the leash, but I'm not even going to have nothing on the leash. I'm literally going to grab it with my pinky. And look. And I don't say this to brag. I say this to actually help dogs and bad information out there that, there we go, that forcing it, doing it. I'm not gonna spend 3 hours on the dog right there when it's a matter of getting the dog to just understand nothing's gonna happen to you. In the beginning, absolutely. And even here, I'm having total patience. But I have to help the dog in a way where the dog is actually being helped, not a propaganda. Push it. So now I'm gonna hype her up and I'm gonna try to get her through there without anything. Now come, that's a good girl. I'm gonna use her clicker. Come on, girl, yeah, that's a good girl, yeah. Come, 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 that's a good girl, come. That's a good girl, mama. Come on, you got it. You got it. Hey, look at you, pretty lady. Did you just get past your fears? Did you just get past your fears? And now I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna let her realize that she just won herself a championship and she's gonna come to me. Ooh. Yeah, I know that other puppy's bothering you, huh? Yeah, that's a good girl. Come, come. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. This is what I do it for, guys. I hope you guys like it, and I don't mean like it to just like it. I hope you guys like it in the sense of the dog is getting better, in the sense that a person is taking their time. A person is trying to fix something that needs patience, needs nurturing, but needs leadership. And whatever you can learn, whatever you do better, whatever other trick you know, I'm all for it. This is about what's better for the dog and what. This is a different dog. Rest. Kilo quiet. Take care. Come on. Let's go on your break.